A circle with area 81 pi has a sector with a 350-degree central angle. So this whole sector right over here that's shaded in this pale orangish yellow color that has a 350-degree central angle. So you see the central angle, it's a very large angle. It's going all the way around like that. And they ask us what is the area of the sector. So we just need to realize that the ratio between the area of sector, ratio between the area of the sector and the total area of the circle, and they tell us what the total area is. It's 81 pi, and 81 pi is going to be equal to the ratio of its central angle, which is 350 degrees. 350 degrees over the total number of degrees in a circle over 360. So the area of the sector over the total area is equal to the degrees in the central angle over the total degrees in a circle. And then we just can solve for the area of a sector by multiplying both sides by 81 pi. 81 pi. So these cancel out. 350 divided by 360 is 35 divided by 36. And so our sector area is equal to, let's see, in the numerator we have 35 times instead of 81. Let's see, that's going to be 9 times 9 pi. And in the denominator I have 36. Well, that's the same thing as 9 times 4, and so we can divide the numerator and the denominator both by 9, and so we are left with 35 times 9. And neither of these are divisible by 4, so that's about as simplified as we can get it. So let's think about what 35 times 9 is. 35 times 9 is going to be 350 minus 35, which would be 315. I guess, did I do that right? Yeah, it's going to be 270 plus 45, which is 315 pi over 4. 315 pi over 4 is the area of the sector.